Alright, we're going to talk about a servo. I'm going to try to do this. I'm looking at my camera and behind it, so this is going to be silly. Servo cover. It's what you see on the side of the transmission when you take it apart. This is the 2/4 band servo, and it applies the 2/4 band. That's the cover. That's the 4th gear piston, and that hat goes up. See how there's a one side's taller than the other. That's the hat. It goes into the cover always. It'll fuck up your 4th gear. I can't remember what this part does. Balance, piston, whatever. Here is the difference between a Corvette servo and everything else. This space between this ring and this ring is the apply surface. So the bigger circle here, if you make this circle smaller, the distance between this circle and this circle will get, more. So the more room you have there, the more apply surface that you have. This is the 2nd gear piston, so it applies for 2nd gear. Corvette servos, this interior circle is about half the size. So when you make this circle half the size, you've doubled the apply surface. So the way hydraulics work, if you're deep in the throttle and your pump is commanding 250 pounds of fluid pressure, that's 250 pounds per square inch. So if you apply that with more square inches, every square inch that you gain, you get another 200 pounds of force pushing on that band. This return spring will get weak. This one is not. I'm surprised. And then that will make the band drag. So all the kits nowadays come with this spring. You pop that C-clip off, you push the spring down on there. These are all neoprene seals. I'll show you how to put them on. I should have got them out before I started this video. Maybe I'll just make 2 videos and I'll get that all ready. But I cleaned all this stuff up, and that's the difference. That's a Corvette servo. The smaller this circle is, the more area there is here for to push on the band for 2nd gear. The Corvette servo does not change. This piston is always the same, no matter what. It's the same in all transmissions. But you're always off the throttle. You're cruising by the time you're hitting 4th gear, so you don't need all that pressure. And there is one valve body in police cars that will command a 3/4 full throttle upshift. But if you don't have a police car valve body, you will never get a full throttle 3/4 upshift. And as a matter of fact, if you go to full throttle and you're in 4th gear, I don't care how fast you're going, it's going to 3rd, because that's how GM designed it, and I don't know why, and I don't care.